Manufacturing is the heartbeat of Northeast Ohio and drives our economy forward. In Ohio, 1 out of every 2 jobs depends on manufacturing. Despite what the news says, manufacturing is alive and thriving. Manufacturing is the present, the past, and the future of Northeast Ohio. Manufacturing today is modern, innovative, creative, clean, and fast-paced. We are builders, hard workers, transformers, proud, imaginative, and strong. Manufacturing is robotic, high-tech, high-quality, and precise. Manufacturers are the igniters of American ingenuity. We roll up our sleeves, building and transforming, and bringing smart ideas to life and reality. At Magnet, we believe every manufacturer can grow, strengthen, and innovate. Better manufacturing jobs leads to better margins, higher revenue, and more great jobs for our communities and our neighborhoods.